Welcome to this comprehensive review of HealthEngine, a popular telehealth platform designed to simplify the process of booking medical appointments and connecting with healthcare professionals. In this video, I'll walk you through the features, user experience, and overall functionality of the website to help you decide if it's the right fit for your telehealth needs. Starting with the homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive interface. HealthEngine immediately presents you with options to book an appointment, search for healthcare providers, or explore telehealth services. At the top of the page, there's a prominent search bar allowing users to enter their location and select the type of healthcare professional they're looking for, whether it's a GP, dentist, physiotherapist, or even telehealth consultations. One of the standout features of HealthEngine is its easy-to-navigate booking system. Once you've selected your preferred provider, the site displays available time slots, along with detailed information about the clinic, including patient reviews and ratings. This transparency ensures that users can make informed decisions about their healthcare. Moving on, the platform offers a personalized dashboard for registered users. Here, you can view your upcoming appointments, manage your medical history, and even set reminders for checkups. For those using telehealth services, the video consultation feature is seamless, with clear instructions on how to join a session. The integration of secure payment options adds another layer of convenience, making the entire process stress-free. HealthEngine also provides a valuable resource in its blog and information section, which covers a variety of health topics, from managing chronic conditions to tips on improving mental health. This feature enhances the platform's utility beyond just appointment bookings, offering users reliable healthcare advice at their fingertips. Throughout my testing, the site's performance was smooth, with fast loading times and no noticeable glitches. Whether accessing it from a desktop or mobile device, HealthEngine maintains a consistent and responsive user experience. The mobile app, in particular, deserves praise for its user-friendly design, making it incredibly easy to manage appointments on the go. However, no platform is without its limitations. During my review, I noticed that while the search filters are helpful, they could be more extensive to cater to users with specific needs, such as language preferences or specialized treatments. Additionally, some smaller clinics may not yet be listed on the platform, which could limit options in rural areas. Overall, HealthEngine provides a reliable and efficient way to connect with healthcare professionals and book appointments online. Whether you're looking for a quick telehealth consultation or scheduling a visit with a specialist, this platform offers a comprehensive solution for managing your healthcare needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech and service reviews. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates.